I just can't do this. I can't fucking do it!
I told you, man. Told you it was fucking impossible.
Yeah, well, we're gonna figure it out. I said we're gonna figure it out, so let me figure it out. Back off until we figure it out!
No, man. We're never gonna figure it out. We're not gonna amount to shit. Just like the fucking bum said.
Listen, Rubik, I don't have time for your shit, so get the fuck out of my face! Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? Get your blood all boiled, now you wanna fuck shit up. Let's go fuck shit up.
Vengeance will be mine!